It's the Super Smart Farm Show.
Hey there, Sky Squad. Elmer here, and it's a beautiful day out today. I've been spending the morning outside enjoying the fresh air. In fact, I was just looking up at the clouds and watching the birds fly by, and I was thinking, wouldn't it be cool if we could fly up there too? Well, guess what? On some farms, something does fly way up high. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a drone. Do you know what a drone is? Is it A, a flying robot, B, a giant bumblebee, or C, a toy airplane? If you said A, a flying robot, you're right. A drone is a little flying robot with special cameras and sensors that help farmers take care of their fields. But how exactly do drones help farmers? Let's zoom in and find out. Whoa, look at that thing go. Hey, Farmer Frank, what's that buzzing around over there above your cornfield?
Hey, Elmer, that's my drone. I use it to keep an eye on my crops without having to walk through every row.
Oh, so it's kind of like having a bird's eye view.
That's right. The drone takes pictures and videos from way up high, and I can see which parts of the field look healthy and which parts might need a little extra water or fertilizer.
That's amazing! But wait, can drones do more than just take pictures?
They sure can. Some drones can spray fertilizer or even plant seeds. They can cover big areas fast, which saves farmers time and money.
Wow! Hey, Sky Squad, what else do you think drones do that can help farmers? A, they take selfies with cows. B, they help farmers spot problems in the field quickly. Or C, they play tag with the birds. Did you say B? You're right. Drones help farmers spot problems fast so they can fix them before the crops get sick and don't grow well. So Frank, what kinds of problems can a drone find?
Well, that's a good question. Drones can spot pests, dry spots where crops aren't even getting enough water, or even places where weeds are taking over. Some drones use special cameras that can see details that my eyes can't, like whether plants are stressed before they start turning brown.
Whoa, so it's kind of like having superhero X-ray vision.
Yep, it's like giving the farmer superpowers. Speaking of which, Elmer, can you name a famous superhero who grew up on a farm?
That's a good one. Well, I know Batman is more of a city guy, but I got it. It's Superman.
That's right. Superman grew up on a farm. Wonder if he ever tried flying over fields to help his parents with their crops.
It seems like the kind of thing that Superman might do, but Farmer Frank, can't farmers just walk through their fields to check on things?
We could do that, but fields can be huge, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of acres. Imagine trying to walk through every row in the hot sun. I mean, it would take days. A drone can scan the whole field in less than an hour.
So drones help farmers work smarter, not harder.
Exactly.
Hey, Sky Squad, let's see if you remember this. Why might farmers use drones instead of walking the whole field? A, because it saves time and energy. B, because drones like exercise. C, because walking is boring. Did you say A? That's right. Drones help farmers save time and check crops faster. Oh, but by the way, walking is not boring if you stay curious. Anyway, Frank, I gotta ask, do drones ever crash into cows?
Well, not if you're careful. Farmers practice flying their drones so they don't bump into animals or trees, and most farm drones can fly themselves along a set path that the farmers program, so they're pretty smart.
What? Drones can fly themselves? Next thing you know, they'll be asking for a snack break.
Well, thankfully not yet.
Are drones only for big farms, or can small farms use them too?
Both. Large farms use drones to cover wide areas quickly. Small farms use them to check fields without having to hire extra help. And some farmers even use drones to check on their animals while they're out in the pasture.
Oh, Oh, so they're kind of like flying farm workers.
You got it.
All right, Sky Squad, let's see how much you learned today with a few questions. Question 1. What is a drone? A loud buzzing noise. B, a flying robot. Or C, a cow with a monotonous moo. Did you say B? That's right, it's a flying robot. Okay, question 2. What's one way drones help farmers? A, by spotting problems in crops quickly. B, scaring birds away like a scarecrow. Or C, by answering the phone while the farmer is out of the house. The answer is A. Drones let farmers know something is wrong so they can take action right away. All right, get ready. We have one more question. Question 3. Why are drones faster than walking a field? A, because they have tiny running shoes. B, because they can fly over big areas quickly. Or C, because farmers are too tired from all their hard work. It's B. Drones can scan a whole field in less than an hour.
Great job, everyone.
Thanks, Farmer Frank. And thank you, Sky Squad, for soaring to new heights with me today. Drones may not moo like cows, but they sure can help farmers stay on top of their crops. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and stay super smart.
This episode features the voices of Eric Herlock and Steve Sieber. It was written by Candice Rosbowski. It was produced by the Lancaster Farming digital team. Sound design and mixing by Justin Berger. The theme music is by Eric Herlock, with additional music from Epidemic Sound. This episode of the Super Smart Farm Show is copyright 2025 by Lancaster Farming Newspaper, part of the Steinman Communications family. Do you have a farming question you'd like to hear answered on the Super Smart Farm Show? Email us at supersmart@lancasterfarming.com. We'd love to hear from you.
It's the Super Smart Farm